In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to file your 1099-R with TurboTax. We'll walk through exactly where to go in the program and what to expect on each screen so you can report retirement plan withdrawals accurately and with confidence. Before you begin, have your Form 1099-R handy. That's the form you receive for distributions from IRAs, 401ks, pensions, or annuities, and it lists key details like the gross distribution, taxable amount, any federal or state taxes withheld, and your payer's information. Once you're in your return, move your cursor to the top navigation and hover over the income section. Don't click yet, just hover, so the full menu opens. This makes it easier to jump directly to the area you need without hunting around later. From the options that appear, select Wages and Income Summary. This is your hub for all income types. You'll see categories grouped to help you find what applies to you, and this is where TurboTax keeps retirement distributions. Scroll to the Retirement Plans and Social Security category. Click there to expand it. This is the dedicated space for retirement-related income, including pensions, IRA withdrawals, and Social Security benefits. Next, choose IRA, 401k, pension plan withdrawals, 1099-R. That's the exact path for entering your 1099-R. Selecting this tells the software you're ready to add information from that form and ensures the correct tax rules are applied, including whether any portion is taxable and how withholding is handled. Click. Start to begin the 1099-R interview. Take a moment here to double check your paper or electronic 1099-R is complete and legible. If you received more than one 1099-R, you'll add them one at a time, repeating this same process for each form. When prompted, click Yes to confirm that you received a 1099-R for the year. This covers regular withdrawals, required minimum distributions, pension payments, and rollovers that were reported on a 1099-R. If yours was a rollover, that will be addressed in follow-up questions so it's classified correctly. You'll now look up your provider by name or select from the suggestions. Type the financial institution or plan administrator exactly as it appears on your form to help TurboTax match it. If your provider supports secure import, you can pull the data in directly and reduce manual entry. If import isn't available, you'll simply enter the numbers from each box on your 1099-R exactly as shown, including any withholding. Be precise with distribution codes and check any boxes that appear on your form. That's it. Review your entries for accuracy, add additional 1099-R forms if needed, and you're on your way to finishing your return with confidence.